Welcome back to my 31 days of summer barbecue. Now we have tons of barbecue recipes coming out over the next month. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss a trick and you catch every single one. Day 15, octopus with harissa, pomegranate, and mint yogurt. Let's get it. Now this dish is super simple, super quick and great for beginners. You're basically taking pre-made ingredients, mixing them together and creating a stunning, fresh, vibrant, singy dish that will go great with your summer barbecue. First things first, these stunning octopus tentacles. These have been pre-cooked. We've bought them pre-cooked from the supermarket, but if you want to cook it yourself, get your octopus, cut out the tentacles, get them in boiling water for 45 minutes and then let the water sit on the side to go cold. A little bit of salt, a little bit of onion, and you've got these stunning pre-cooked octopus tentacles. Now octopus is great, it's got a great texture, it's got a great flavor, but for me, I want to bolster it with some big smoked chili heat. So we've got smoked harissa, good tablespoon of that straight into a bowl. And if we're talking chili, we've got to talk lemon. It's like polar opposites of each other. The heat gives you spice, the lemon eradicates it, it brings freshness, it brings zestiness, it brings zinginess. So get a good amount of that zest straight over that harissa. One lemon's enough. Don't go too deep on the zest because the white bit is bitter. You just want that beautiful perfume yellow skin. Juice in, watch out for your pips. And then we're letting that down a little bit with some good extra virgin olive oil. Give that a quick stir, making sure everything's incorporated. And then we take our tentacles and very gently and generously spoon that all over the top. And you'll see the oil will mix with the harissa, create like a dressing almost, to get over every nook and cranny of that tentacle, give it a real lick of massive flavor. Let these sit for a minimum of half an hour, I would say, but anything up to 6 hours, you're gonna be fine. So while they marinate, we're gonna make a yogurt, a mint yogurt, a really easy mint yogurt. Greek yogurt, strained, 10% fat. Don't get fat-free Greek yogurt, there's no point. You need the body, you need the structure, you need that luxuriousness that comes with a good amount of fat in your recipe. So spoon it out into a bowl, and then our mint is coming in two parts. The first part, mint sauce, packed full of flavor, absolutely delicious. I love this stuff. So get a good spoonful of that straight into your yogurt. Good bit of salt, help with the seasoning, flicker of pepper, for a touch of warmth. Give that a mix together and that is it. Mint yogurt done. Absolutely delicious, full of flavor, and that's the first part of the mint for this recipe. The second part is going to come in this, fresh leaves, because I've got that stunning mint flavor from the sauce. The hard work's done for me. I want to capture that, a little bit of velvet, a little bit of luxuriousness with the fat from the yogurt. And then this stunning, young, fresh sprigs of mint, not gonna lose their integrity. They're not gonna get chopped up into 1,000 pieces. They're gonna be whole on the dish at the end to give vibrance, to give life, and to give a little bit of color. And at this stage, we're done. Our grill is hot, our bars are beautiful and white. All that's left to do is bang these over the coals, shut the lid, and let that flavor, let that smoke, let those embers char and flavor those octopus tentacles. Once these are all charred up, beautifully blistered, the fat from that harissa has started to melt over the tentacles. You've got little specks of black and brown where the flavor has licked up from those coals. Take them back off onto your tray. Then you grab a white plate, get your yogurt down straight in the middle with the back of your spoon. Just create a little circle for those octopus to sit. This could be a big platter if you've got plenty of tentacles. For me, I'm just gonna do 3 on a plate, almost like a starter portion. Then the tentacles laid on top, full of that harissa, full of that fire, a little bit of the dressing over the yogurt. Pomegranate seeds, a pop of color, a pop of flavor, a pop of freshness, and then these are beautiful little sprigs of mint. Just dance them all over the top till you end up with a fragrant, fresh, umptuous, delicious plate of goodness. That's our charred octopus with smoked harissa, mint yogurt, pomegranate. And there you go.